Welcome to your guide on Colorado's firearm laws. Stick around until the end, where I'll share some of the most debated upcoming law changes in 2025. Trust me, you'll want to be prepared to fight some of them. Firearm ownership requirements. Let's start with the basics. Colorado has raised the minimum age for purchasing most firearms to 21 years old. This change was implemented to address safety concerns and align with federal trends. Background checks are required for all firearm sales, including private transactions. It's illegal to skip this step, and violators could face serious consequences, including a Class 2 misdemeanor. Waiting period for purchases. Next, we have the waiting period. Effective October 1, 2023, Colorado introduced a mandatory 3-day waiting period for all firearm purchases. This cooling-off period is designed to help prevent impulsive acts that could lead to harm. Whether you're buying for self-defense, sport, or hunting, you'll need to plan ahead and account for this waiting period. Red flag law enhancements. Colorado's red flag law just got stronger. Originally, only close family members or law enforcement could petition the courts to temporarily remove firearms from someone deemed a threat. Now, district attorneys and even certain educators can file these petitions. This expansion makes it easier to prevent potential harm before it happens. Critics argue that this has the potential to be, and has occasionally been, misused in personal disputes, leading to disarming people with lies. Ban on ghost guns. Let's talk about ghost guns, firearms without serial numbers that are often made with 3D printers or DIY kits. As of January 1, 2024, these are banned in Colorado. If you already own one, you must have it serialized by a licensed dealer and complete a background check. Ignoring this law could result in a Class 1 misdemeanor or worse if repeated. Magazine capacity restrictions. Colorado limits ammunition magazines to 15 rounds. Owning or using anything larger is illegal unless it was owned before the restriction was enacted. This is aimed at reducing the impact of mass shootings and increasing public safety. Concealed carry training. Big changes are coming for concealed carry permits. Right now, you need to demonstrate handgun competence, which includes completing a training course within the last 10 years. Starting July 1, 2025, this time frame shrinks to 1 year, and the course must cover critical topics like firearm safety, state laws, and conflict resolution. If you're considering applying, make sure your training is up to date and to get one of our concealed carry shorts or joggers on relaxedfittactical.com. Local regulations and theft penalties. It's important to know that Colorado allows local governments to enforce stricter firearm laws than the state. For example, Denver bans open carry and has restrictions on assault weapons. Additionally, the penalties for stealing a firearm are now standardized, ensuring consistent enforcement across the state. Reporting lost or stolen firearms. Here's something you might not know. If your firearm is lost or stolen, you're required to report it to law enforcement within 5 days. This helps prevent stolen guns from being used in crimes and aids in their recovery. Safe storage recommendations. While Colorado doesn't yet mandate specific firearm storage laws, responsible ownership includes keeping your guns secured, especially away from children. Future legislation may introduce stricter storage requirements, but it's just good to practice that anyway. And here at Relaxed Fit Tactical, we prefer less government interference and more use of common sense. Now for what's coming in 2025. Colorado lawmakers are debating several big proposals. 1. A potential ban on semi-automatic firearms. If you are a Colorado resident, definitely fight this unconstitutional crap. 2. Stricter storage requirements to prevent unauthorized access, particularly by minors. We say this is just more government overreach. Unless they go into your home, how will they know? Just use common or uncommon sense and store your firearms properly, especially around children of any age. 3. Universal firearm registration, though this faces significant opposition. These debates could lead to major shifts in the state's gun laws, so stay informed and prepared for what might come. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and go to relaxedfittactical.com for concealed carry gear. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay safe and stay informed.